The other kind of special method we're talking about right now is a mutator method. Also called a setter method. Makes changes to private information in an object. These are usually void methods. They don't have to be, but they usually are. Because you're just trying to go into an object and change something. So you don't need to be sent something back. But, depends on how the class was designed. So I made 2 mutator methods for the fraction class, which I'd like to show you. They're right here in this code fragments. I made one called change numerator and one called change denominator. So I'll go ahead and put them in the fraction class. And we'll F2 to make it look nice. So do you see how this is what we're calling a mutator method? It mutates or changes the information in the class. It's called change numerator, and we just send over a new integer, and the numerator is set to that, and we change the denominator, send over another integer, the denominator is set to that. These are examples of mutator methods. They're changing the variable information that's otherwise private inside of a class. So if we're over here, fraction f equals new fraction 1 comma 3, we print it out, then we could say f dot change numerator, and I'm going to make it 7. And then if we print it out again, we should see the different fraction. Let's see if it works. This file is not the right file. Oh, that was the right file. I better open it up again. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah, it was in 2 files at once, so my bad. It's already here. I already had it. I already put it in. So I had that one twice. Had this one twice. I guess I put it in yesterday in anticipation of our notes. My apologies. Back to notes. We run it. Yep. So I've just shown you how to do this. This is a mutator method. We create an object. It's a fraction f. We printed it, and then I did f change numerator with a new number, and I print it again, and that shows that it did change it, right? So it's called a mutator method. Mutation is like a change. That's how I remember that. Or it's also called a setter method, which a setter method, it's setting a value.
So you said how they're usually void methods. Is it possible to create one that's not a void method?
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can create one that's not a void method if you want to get something back from it. Like, success, I changed it. Or, sorry, couldn't change it. It could return back a value or some information. Yeah, but it's not necessary.